Hello?
Baby,
What?
are you okay?
Yeah, why?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm okay. Why?
You haven't been posting for 2 months.
No, I'm sorry. I've been kind of busy.
Doing what?
I've been working on something else.
Well, are you gonna show us?
You know what? You're right. Guys, come on in. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Yes, I know it's been a couple months since my last upload, but as y'all can see, the whole place looks completely different now.
Yeah, we don't have any furniture anymore.
Yeah, the couches are gone, the tables are gone. It's no longer an apartment, as y'all can see. It's basically an office at this point. Anyways, for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I've been doing the last couple months, starting off with a tour of the brand new office that we got. And also in the end, I will be explaining what else we've been doing and what we're gonna be doing in the future. So make sure you guys watch the whole video. But yeah, if you guys are excited for us to be making videos again, go down below, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Wait, you know what I think I forgot?
What?
Did I talk about what exotic world is?
No!
How did I forget that?
Wow.
I'm over here giving a tour and I didn't even say what it's about.
Tell them, baby.
Well, I think most of you guys know, especially if you follow me on Instagram, because I do talk about it a lot over there. But we basically export rare and exotic snacks from all over the world, like Australia, Japan, Canada. Like, for example, we have Fanta bubblegum from Egypt. We don't have Fanta bubblegum here in the US, so we export all of these flavors from other countries and resell them here in the US. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
But anyways, getting started with the tour, let's start on this side. So over here, we still have the claw machine. You guys remember this from the first apartment tour video. It's kind of empty right now from all the people that win something, they take it with them. When I clearly say to put it back in the machine. Actually, let me see if I can win something first try. If I do, you guys have to drop a like on this video. Look at that, look at the pig. That's my girlfriend as a plush. You guys never knew that we made it. Hey look, we won something first try, let's go. You guys have to like the video. So on this shelf over here on top, we do have the bubble wrap. We do sell a bunch of drinks, so I gotta make sure all the drinks are bubble wrap. That way they don't bust, you know, during transit. And down here, I do have 2 of the little tape dispensers that I use to pack every single order. Nothing too fancy. And I do put a thank you card in every single order just because it does come with a discount code. Just to hopefully, you know, get them to purchase something in the future again. And we recently got these. It's basically a insulated mailer. You know, it is hot over here in Texas. It's almost 100 degrees. So if a customer wants to add this to the order, we do put all of their chocolate inside and it prevents it from melting. You know, some people do buy chocolate and they get it and they get mad at me because the chocolate melts. Like, what do they want me to do? You know, I have no idea what I could do to prevent the chocolate from melting. So I did buy those. I also got some ice packs to put inside of them and they seem to be working so far. Over here under the table, I do have every size of the box that I use to pack every single order. Everything from small, tiny boxes. Because believe it or not, people do only buy one item sometimes.
What?
Like somebody will buy one bag of chips and then pay like $8 for shipping, which I feel bad. So to make it worth it, you do have to buy multiple items, you know, because of shipping. And some people do spend $200-300 on snacks.
Is that the most?
I think the most has been like 300. And for that, I do have to buy the big ol' 16 by 12 by 10 inch boxes. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the packaging area of the office. Moving on to the first drink shelf. Over here we have some pretty cool items. Now these down here are actually pretty cool. These are called Premier. So for example, Canada Dry Premier. And the thing about these is that they actually have chunks of the fruit inside. So Canada Dry, can I see it?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Floaties.
It's ginger ale pieces in the inside. I don't like ginger ale. I don't like Canada Dry, so I think that's kind of nasty. But if you like Canada Dry, this is a must try. And it's the same thing with the other ones. So the orange one, you can't really see it, but it has the orange pieces on the inside.
When you don't know your stuff.
Hey, I forgot the country, okay? I'm double checking the country of the drink I was about to talk about. But another cool one is the 7-Up Mojito.
Ooh.
For all you drinkers out there, you guys know Mojito is an alcoholic drink, but sadly, this has no alcohol in it.
So it's a virgin drink.
Yeah, but apparently it tastes exactly like the Mojito though. So if you like mojitos, check this out and see if it actually tastes like it.
Let us know, baby. Take a sip. Okay, so now that we're at the topic of sodas, when are you gonna try one of these?
We've been through this. You have no idea how tempted I've been to try a soda ever since I started all of this, just because some of these drinks look so good. For those of you that don't know, I have a streak of about 6 years of not drinking soda, and I'm not gonna break it to drink a soda.
Yes, you will.
No, I'm not. Alright, how about this? If this video gets to 10,000 likes, alright? That's a pretty big number because I don't want to drink soda just to break my streak. But if this video gets to 10,000 likes, I'll start drinking soda again. You guys know what to do. If y'all want me to break my streak of 6 years, go down below. Let's hit 10,000 likes and I'll start trying these sodas and let you guys know how they taste. Alright, moving on over here. This is my new setup that I bought strictly for Exotic World. You guys might be wondering, Jaime, why do you need 3 monitors? The answer is why not? I mean, that looks pretty cool. But anyways, over here on the table itself, on the corner, I do have some beautiful flowers that my girlfriend got me.
That are dead.
They've been dead for like a week. I like them, okay? I'm not gonna throw them away yet. This over here is the printer I use to print out every single shipping label. It's a really good one. If you're gonna be starting an online business, I would highly recommend this one. It's the Brother QL1110 NWB, and I love it. Like it's amazing. But yeah, besides the printer over here, I just have a regular Razer mouse pad, the N Pro 2 keyboard for all you gamers out there, a Razer wireless mouse, and a wireless charger by Razer, just because my phone is always dead, so I gotta keep it charging. But anyways, the last cool feature about the setup is the desk itself, because it is a standing up desk. So y'all can tell I don't have a chair, just because whenever I'm packing orders, I'm always standing up. I never have to sit down. So if I want to raise my desk higher, I just press the button over here and it goes higher. Check this out. Right where my hand is at is where the desk was at in the beginning, and look how high it goes. This is pretty high though, no? I keep it lower just because whenever it's this high, it blocks the TV. So I have to make it lower.
So you're watching TV
yeah,
while you're working?
The TV, I use it for music. Whenever I'm packing orders, I either play like a podcast or play some music, and you know, it adds to it. We do have a security camera up there. Anybody trying to rob us?
You're such a liar.
It is a camera.
What?
It is a camera.
I did not consent to that.
Anyways, moving on, over here we do have the second drink shelf that we have. We do have different drinks and over there. And also, for all you people that only drink diet soda, the only thing I'm gonna say is to try this drink. I promise you guys, it's the best diet soda you guys will ever try. Every single person that buys this tells me that it's amazing, just because even though it has no sugar, it's raspberry flavor, but the raspberry flavor is so strong that it doesn't taste like a diet soda. We got Mr. Coca-Cola Polar Bear over here, just chilling. He's our guard bear.
Guard bear.
Actually, what I do want to try is this one. This one just came out a couple months ago. It's the Fanta Yogurt and Grape.
Ew.
And apparently it does taste like yogurt, which is weird. But this is one of the most weird sodas that we have. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the drinks. On top of the shelves is basically where we store all the extra drinks that we have. But besides the drinks, the last part is gonna be the snacks. Now, we're not gonna be going through every single snack because we have so many, but look at all the shelves. But starting off over here on this shelf, can you guess what the shelf is about?
I don't know.
chips maybe. Yeah, so on this shelf we have a bunch of cookies, mainly being Oreos. But for example, check this out, Skittles Cookies. Have you guys seen this before?
That looks gross.
That looks pretty gross. They look just like some sweet cookies, but I mean Skittles Cookies, that's pretty weird. We have Oreo strawberry mousse, I think that's what it is. I gotta check the names on some of these. Oreo crispy strawberry cream cookies.
It's just strawberry.
It's not just strawberry, okay? Real quick, before we move on, one of the most popular and best-selling items that we have are the Oreo wafer rolls. So these three right here, the Oreo strawberry, the vanilla, and the chocolate wafer rolls. Apparently people love those because it's one of our best-selling items, but they do look good though, right?
Yeah.
Oreo wafer rolls, just imagine dipping these into a nice cold cup of milk. Amazing.
Big ass head.
Look at your head. I haven't showed you in the video. Look at your head.
What's
taking
wrong
up the whole
with
frame.
it?
It's taking up the whole frame.
I bet you're zooming in.
I'm not.
Stop. Yes, you are.
Testing. Did I give you permission?
I don't need it.
Alright, so now moving on over here, we have all the chips, and we have some pretty weird flavored chips. I mean, like, what do you want to show them?
Show them the prawn.
The prawn?
Yeah.
Alright, so these are the Lay's spicy salted prawn, and one of the bags actually came busted when they arrived, but these smell so fishy, like extremely fishy. I mean, it makes sense because it is prawn flavored, but these are extremely rare just because they're only available in 7-Elevens in Japan. So I wonder how the guy bought them from got them all. Like, you think he went to multiple 7-Elevens?
He had to.
Look, you can see the 7-Eleven logo up there. Only at 7-Eleven.
Who would have known 7-Eleven is worldwide?
Bruh.
Now these are pretty fancy. Look at this bag. This doesn't look like a bag of chips. This looks like something you get at like a 5-star hotel.
What?
Truffle flavored chips. Now I think truffle's expensive. I don't know if you guys know what truffle is. Let me know down below. But these I believe are from Taiwan. I don't remember. But yeah, the bag looks pretty fancy. Looks pretty cool.
Yeah. I like the color.
Alright, yeah, so now moving on to the next shelf. What do we got, mamas?
We got some Kit Kats.
This is basically like the Kit Kat shelf. So that one is,
Sakura.
yeah, Kit Kat Cherry Blossom, which is also known as Sakura in Japan.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato Kit Kats.
That sounds disgusting.
That does sound nasty. We have the Kit Kat Plum. This one is a very popular one. It's the Kit Kat Coffee Latte. Apparently it's really good.
What are these?
Last one, it's called Kit Kat Pudding, but I think it's flan. I mean, it looks like flan.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, so to finish off the tour, we do have 3 shelves left, and it's basically chocolates, random stuff that I don't know what else to put, and then the last one is the candy shelf. So to start off with the candy, alright, so real quick, our most popular candies, we have the Sour Patch Kids Cherry Blasters, which every single person that buys these say that they're amazing.
They sound good.
They do sound good. Next up, we have Sour Patch Cola flavored gummies. These also kind of sound good. I'm sure these are good. And last but not least, we have the Skittles No Shell. So it's regular Skittles, but they don't have the outer shell. So it's like Chewies, basically.
I want to try that one.
And these are from the UK. You don't want to be some regular guy walking down the street eating regular Skittles. You want to be eating Skittles without the shell. And moving on, again, the second shelf is basically the random shelf that I just have nowhere else to put everything else. So for example, we have Doritos crackers, the cheese supreme, and the garlic bread. I haven't opened these, so I don't know what they look like, but they're just Dorito crackers. These are from Australia.
Interesting. We can eat like tuna with that.
Tuna, ew. Now I know some people are gonna be like, hi man, I am not gonna pay $6 for a bag of chips, $10 for a box of cookies. But in the end, you guys have to remember that every single one of these snacks are from different countries. Like, you can't go down to your local grocery store and buy Kit Kat, you know, soccer flavored chocolates. Having to import them to the US, and after taxes and everything else, that's why every single one of these items are a bit pricey. So it's not like I'm buying these chocolates and these bags of chips for like 50 cents and selling them for like $8. Otherwise I'd be rich. Like, even my profit margins right now are kind of low, because again, it's not that cheap to export everything from all over the world. Alright everyone, now last but not least, we have the chocolate shelf. Over here we have a bunch of different types of chocolates like Kit Kats, Snickers, Hershey's. Like, look at these. Look how cool these look. These are Snickers from China.
Those are so pretty.
They're so pretty. I'm not even sure the flavors. It's like a weird flavor.
So colorful.
Hershey.
How come our chocolate isn't like that here? It's all brown.
Wait, why don't we have cool stuff in the US? Look at all this cool stuff that the rest of the world has. You would think that the US would have stuff like this, but they don't. These are the only pods you can eat, okay? You guys remember back then people were eating like Tide Pods for some reason. I don't know why. I feel like it's because people were eating these pods and they thought that these were the ones people were talking about. But no, these are the only pods you can eat. These come from Australia and it's basically chocolate wafers. We have the Snickers, the Mars, and the S'mores.
Those look really good.
And also these are discontinued, so whatever I have left on the website is all I have left. So you guys better go and try these before they're gone forever. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it for all these snacks. There's just so many different types of snacks that we have. I can't really go through every single one of them. So again, go down below, click the link to the website, check out some items, maybe buy some stuff, support your boy. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
No.
You got the stars on your face.
Do you like it?
Guys, look, we got stars up there. So if y'all see like some stuff on our face, that's why. Alright everyone, so before I end the video, like I said, I'm gonna explain to you guys why I haven't been uploading the last couple months, and it's a pretty funny story if you really think about it. Alright, so like where do I even start? So let's go back in time like 3 months. This was around the time whenever I was getting all the inventory to start this new business. I was making the website, I was buying inventory, getting everything ready. And like 2 days later, I make a TikTok about all the cool snacks that I have. I wake up the next day with like the TikTok at 500,000 views. Every single item I had completely sold out. Like I was stressing a lot just because it was my first online business. It was my first time like learning how to pack orders, how to keep track of the inventory. So I had to learn how to do all that in a matter of like a couple days. And it sucks because I had thousands, literally thousands of people wanting to buy something and they couldn't because I was sold out. But basically after that day, I pretty much had to pack orders every single day. I don't know if I'm slow, but I'm only able to pack 7 to 10 orders per day. Now, if somebody else has an online business, let me know if that's like average. But for me, I'm only able to pack like 8 orders per hour. Did I say per day or per hour?
You said per day. You meant per hour.
Yeah, per hour. I'm not over here packing 8 orders per day. I'm not that slow. So it's per hour. So yeah, from the time I was waking up to the time I was going to bed, I was just packing orders. Packing orders, taking them to USPS, taking them to UPS, coming back, packing more orders until I go to bed for the next day. And it was that same cycle for the first month. I was kind of having fun. It was something new. Yeah, I was kind of having fun. It was new to me. I love packing orders. Like, I love all the snacks. But yeah, in the end, that's pretty much the reason why I haven't really been posting the last couple months. I was just really busy packing all of these orders. Not only just packing orders, but also trying to get everything organized.
And the only reason why we're actually recording right now is because you finally catched up.
Yeah, so I finally catched up on all the orders and everything. So that's why I have time to start making videos now. And the goal is to make a video every single week from now on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all we've been doing. It kind of sucks because you guys missed her birthday and my birthday. So thanks to everyone that wished us a happy birthday on our Instagram. But with that being said, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all do, go down below, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And again, the link to Exotic World is down below. Should we give him a discount code?
Yes!
What should the discount code be? Alright, if you stayed into the end of the video, you're lucky because you're about to get a discount code. So use the promo code YouTube, all capitalized, for 15% off your entire order. Again, I know some of these snacks can be kind of expensive, so hopefully the 15% off helps. So again, code YouTube for 15% off. The link is down below. Love you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.